God's beautiful country. Woo! Every morning I start my beautiful day off with these beautiful doggies. What's up, big bowler? This boy barely eats a cup of food a day for some reason. And somehow he's like a massiveness. I don't know what his problem is with eating. Why he doesn't let I give him raw diet, fresh eggs. He might not like the cinnamon. Well, I didn't put no cinnamon this morning, so we tested it. Ain't that right, big boy? Ain't that right, you big old honkity donkity donkity doo? You a big old beast of a dog. He loves to play ball too. Hey! What's this? Hey! Sit. Sit. Good boy. Get it. Get it. Get the ball. Get the ball. Yeah, you got it. Come on. Good boy. Yeah, you got that thing. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Come on. Good boy. You a bowler with your bowler, shot caller, Prince style. Marking all the territory, letting the honeys know. Come on. How you get so big, Clyde, is what I want to know. How you turn into a massive dog? You gonna pee and poop? You gonna pee on every poop? See, I'm gonna pee on every poop, man. That's what I do. I pee on the poops. Poop scoopity doop. You know what I'm talking about? That poop scoopity doop. Sit. Sit down. Sit. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Go in there and eat. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You got that good stuff. Eat, Papa. Eat today. Come on, you gotta eat. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. I don't think he likes it. He's spoiled on that raw diet. Eat, Bubba. Eat your food. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's that good stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's that good stuff, boy. You better eat that good stuff. For it is you. Grass best cleaner is grass. Grass is your friend. Cleans your hands and your ass. Just kidding. What's up, Rooster? What's up, gangster? Gangster, gangster, gangster. What's up, flockers? Hey! Damn it! What'd y'all do to her? Our little bitty hen didn't make it. She wasn't feeling good as it was, I don't think. That's just sad. Ruined my day.